Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Writing a book is a massive undertaking, whether it's a fiction or non-fiction. But with Gemini, you can transform the process from a lonely slog into a structured, efficient workflow. The key isn't just asking AI to write it for you. It's about choosing a system that maintains consistency across hundreds of pages and keeps your unique voice intact. There is a specific approach called the scaffolding system that's been developed for structured authorship with Gemini. It's not about magic prompts, it's about engineering your writing process. So in this guide, I will show you how to use system prompts, anchor points, and knowledge injection to write a complete book with Gemini. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, use the scaffolding system for nonfiction. The scaffolding system is designed for long-term projects where consistency is totally critical. It has three main components: immutable anchor points like key facts, stylistic rules, and core arguments that must remain consistent through the book. Then we also have the knowledge injection, using tags like guidance as foundation to keep Gemini on track, the prompt log, version control prompts that ensure every chapter follows the same instructions. So this approach turns Gemini from a willful beast into a manageable precision instrument. Then you can easily start with a master system prompt. Before you write a single word, create a system prompt that defines the entire project. So you can basically copy prompts or try to make them yourself, but it's kinda hard to do so. You can also use Gemini 2.5 for manuscript image processing. Since it has the ability to process entire book manuscripts at once, this is a game changer for editing and proofreading. Basically, it's easier. Anyway, so thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.